Hi, I'm John Wilworth. I'm the safety director for Davidson Co. We are a reinforcing steel contractor. We subcontract to many larger general contractors here in Southern California, from Ventura all the way down to south end of San Diego. The issues that I want to talk about today and that we're going to do some testing for primarily involve around fall protection, impalement protection, and the letters of clarification or interpretation that we have regarding the use of what's sometimes called J-hooks, what we typically refer to as a 180-degree bend or standard hook, and the clarification as to whether these hooks are indeed impalement protection. Currently, there is a letter of clarification out that states that the J-hook is impalement protection at grade. I've questioned that, and some of the testing we're going to do here today will confirm or deny those facts. We'll go beyond the fact of whether it is impalement protection at grade and explore whether it's impalement protection above grade. The test criteria that we'll follow will be that from Title 8, Section 344, wherein essentially we'll be dropping a 200-pound sandbag. Granted, the test criteria is 250 pounds, but the bags that we're able to acquire for this testing will not handle that much weight, so we're going to go to the 200-pound and stay consistent with that. We will be dropping these bags from a 7.5-foot elevation, which is equivalent to the at grade, and we'll be dropping them from a 10-foot elevation, which is the equivalent for above grade. Beyond the J-hooks, we're going to look at the form stakes that contractors, carpenters typically use as form stakes, grade stakes, or template stakes. I've been told by a couple of sources that these stakes are not considered to be impalement hazards because of the shape. But again, we'll be dropping sandbags on these form stakes or grade stakes to find out if they do cause impalement. Anchor bolts is another thing that I've been looking at and concerned about. So we'll be dropping the sandbags onto some anchor bolts as well. Electrical conduits, the EMT conduit is another issue that's been brought before us that we're going to be experimenting with. And finally, some contractors are attempting to use Schedule 40 PVC pipe, 3 inches in diameter, and calling that an impalement hazard over a row of rebar or other similar hazards, and we'll be dropping test bags onto that conduit as well, to that PVC conduit.